If your TCL TV has a black screen and you can't access the settings menu, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the most effective reset methods step by step. Method 1. Perform a power reset. Start with a simple power reset. Turn off the TV and unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Leave the TV unplugged for at least 60 seconds. While it's unplugged, press and hold the physical power button on the TV for about 10 to 15 seconds if your model has one. This helps discharge any remaining power and clears temporary system errors. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Many TCL TVs recover from a black screen after this reset. Method 2. Use the physical button. If the screen remains black, look for a small reset button or pinhole on the back or side of the TV. Use a paperclip or similar tool to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 20 seconds. Keep holding until the TV restarts. This forces the television to reboot and can fix software-related display issues that prevent the screen from loading normally. Method 3. Factory Reset TV. For TCL Roku TVs, locate the recessed reset button on the back of the TV. Press and hold the button for approximately 20 seconds while the TV is powered on. The status light may blink rapidly when the factory reset begins. After the process completes, the TV will restart and return to its original factory settings. Keep in mind that this removes installed apps, accounts, and personal settings. Method 4. Enter recovery mode. If a normal reset doesn't work, you can try recovery mode. Turn the TV off and unplug it. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV, then reconnect the power cord while continuing to hold the button. Keep holding for 15 to 30 seconds until the recovery screen appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to restore the TV. This method is especially useful if a failed software update caused the black screen. Method 5. Check for backlight failure. If you hear sound but the screen stays black after resetting, the issue may not be software related. Shine a flashlight at the screen from a close angle. If you can see a faint image, the TV's backlight system may have failed. In this situation, resetting the TV will not solve the problem and hardware repair may be required.